Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you the common error of A. This is not a grammar, this is a grammatical mistake, and this is not a grammar, but just like a grammar. This is a common error of the A. If I write I hope you all have a enjoyable stay. I wrote here a enjoyable stay. This is a common error. I hope you all have a enjoyable stay. No, it is not a enjoyable stay. It is I hope you all. This is an enjoyable. Why I write here an enjoyable? Because always use an, not a, before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Because an, because e, and what is the vowel? VOWEL, vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. And enjoyable, it start the pronunciation, the sound is enjoyable, E, and enjoyable, not A. It is an error. Use the an enjoyable because the enjoyable start with A and the pronunciation, the sound is E. So just like an egg, an elephant, because it starts with E, and A, because the pronunciation MA degree, DZRW, because it is the pronunciation MA is the pronunciation MA, the pronunciation MA. Don't use the, it is the correct. If I use the MA, it is, and it is not correct. So when before vowel sound A, E, I, O, U, always use the A. Now the next example. My husband is doing a MSc in biotechnology. Okay, my husband is doing a MSc in biotechnology. So you can see here I write here AMSc, the same as before. MA, M is pronunciation, because why use an, not a before an abbreviation that begins with a vowel sound, and MSc, and because the M, the vowel sound, and M, S, C. and MAC. This is M. So the sound is starting with A, E, I, O, U, E. The sound is starting with E. MAC, MAC. And MAC. So this is error. So use the MAC because it starts with an MAC. This is the correct pronunciation. And MAC. MAC. So that is why I'm using an MAC. This is the correct. So the correct is my husband is doing an MSc in biotechnology. So this is a correct. So I'm gonna go to the next example. So something so don't write the separately. Sometimes it is sometimes it is difficult to live a honest life. Here you can see sometimes it is difficulty to live a honest life. It is a common error. The honest, you can see the honest life. I wrote here a honest because here you can see the honest, HONEST. Honest start with honest. Why? Use and not a before words begin with H when the H is not a pronoun. Just like HONOUR. Honor, ONOUR. Because it starts with a vowel sound O. You can see the A, E, I, O, U. It starts with a O. Honest. H is not pronounced. Here honest and honor, H is not pronounced, and our, HOUR, our, pronounced is OUR. So the correct is an honest and honest life. This is incorrect. It is a very error. So say again, use an, not a before words begin with a H when the H is not pronounced. Just like an hour, an honest, an honor. This is the examples. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. See you again in the next video with a new common error. Bye bye.